sweet blossoms, welcome back to Crochet Simple. I'm Nazani, the hand behind it. Today we're crocheting this beautiful sunflower granny motif. It's bright, cheerful, and perfect for adding a pop of summer to your projects. You can use it for bags, pillows, coasters, or even turn it into a clothing accent. The possibilities are endless. Grab your hook and let's get started. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out, now make a chain. Here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna making chain 4 as a first double crochet and chain 1 space. Now we're gonna making double crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, make a chain. Again, wrap a yarn, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay, make a chain. Continue this round by making 1 double crochet and chain 1 until you reach to the desired number of the double crochets. That will be 12 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces. Okay, if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out any crochet tutorial from me. Okay, continue with making 1 double crochet and chain 1, okay, the last one. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Okay, here make a slip stitch in there. Now close the hole by pulling the loop in the middle, and now we're gonna cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it all the times by needle. This is a perfect way for ending the rows. Insert your needle under the 3rd chain, 3rd stitch here, 2nd one, the 3rd one. Okay, insert it again inside the 1st one, bring it out. Here is our ending. There's no sign of the sewing or anything. Now I'm moving very slowly between the stitches and secure my tail of the yarn between them. Okay, don't push too hard the needle, just move very slowly between the stitches. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends too. Your support truly means the world to me. Secure the tail of the yarn from the magic ring too, and after that cut the tail of the yarn. So here is our first round. Now I'm gonna making round 2 by the yellow color of yarn. Make a slip knot on your hook and start from any chain space you like. Wrap yarn around your hook twice and insert your hook into the chain 1 space, bring yarn out. Now grab a yarn, pull through 2, grab a yarn, pull through 2, skip 3rd step. Again, wrap yarn around your hook twice, make another treble crochet in there, skip the last section of it. Again, make another one, pull through 2, pull through. Now pull through all the 4 loops. Okay, here is our 3 treble crochet together. Then make 3 chains. Again, make 3 treble crochets in the same chain 1 space here. Okay, just making treble crochets, skip the last part of them. After that you make your last treble crochet, pull through all the loops. Okay, then make 3 chains. For fasten on in this round, you can use 3 chains as a first half treble crochet, then make your another 2 treble crochet, and after that you can treble crochets together. But if you make your first stitch like me, it will very professional. Then please keep trying and keep practice that you can make your first stitches in each round like a professional crocheter. Okay, do this for the all chain 1 space until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first petal on the top of the treble crochet together. Look here. Okay, make a slip stitch in here. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. In the end, we must have 12 3 treble crochet together and 12 3 chain spaces. Okay, I'm ending my row with needle, insert it inside the first chain 1 space, chain 1, and insert it again inside the first stitch here. And now moving between the stitches and secure it. Okay, if you're new on my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I will be happy to have you here in my crochet family. Please tap that subscribe button and be part of my little crochet family here. Okay, cut the tail of the yarns and done. Let's go for making round 3. With the green yarn, make a slip knot on your hook. Again, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the each chain 3 space you like, grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Here is our first double crochet. Then make 2 chains for 2 chain space and again make 4 double crochet in the same chain space. As I said to you, you can use 3 chains as a first double crochet if you want, and 2 more chains for the 2 chain space. So you can start this round with 5 chains. Okay, after that you make your 4 double crochet, single crochet in the next chain space, 3 chains and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Okay, into the next chain space, make 4 double crochets, 2 chains and again 4 double crochet in the same chain space. These stitches making our corner spaces. Okay, 4 double crochets, 2 chains and 4 double crochets are making the same chain space. Okay, and now we're gonna making 1 single crochet in the next chain space, 3 chains, skip this petal into the next chain space, make 1 single crochet, again go to the next chain space, make 4 double crochet, 2 chains and 4 double crochets. Okay, continue this diagram until the end of the row by making these stitches, 4 double crochet, 2 chains, 4 double crochets in the same stitch, in same chain space, sorry, and 1 single crochet in the next chain space here, 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Again repeat this diagram from the 4 double crochets to 1 single crochet in the second chain space. Okay, I'm here to help you become a confident crochet pro, so don't be shy. Feel free to ask me anything in comments, or you can send your photos of your projects that you used my tutorial. Send it to my email address. You can find the link of it in my description below. Okay, in the end, make 3 double crochets before the first stitch and then join with the slip stitch to the first and cut the yarn. If you made 5 chains at the start, Join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, hide the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Insert my needle under the third stitch here, second, the third one. Bring it out. Again, insert it inside the first one. Bring it out. And done. There's no sign of the sewing or anything here. Okay, moving between the stitches very slowly and done. Do you love sunflowers as much as I do? And what project would you use this flower for? And do you prefer 2D or 3D crochet sunflowers? Would you like me design a full sunflower bag or top with this motif or not? Okay, for the next round, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap yarn around your hook, start from chain to space and make a double crochet, then make 2 chains. If you want, you can make 5 chains as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains, then make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now skip this single crochet in the chain space of the round to make 3 double crochet over your round 3 and over your single crochet. Okay, again skip these stitches into the next chain space of the round 2 over the single crochet, make 3 double crochet. Okay, now making 1 double crochet into the each next 4 stitches, the 4 double crochets of the previous round. Skip the single crochet. Okay, don't forget it. And now we're gonna making 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space of the next corner. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next 4 stitches, 1 double crochet into each next 4 double crochets of previous round. Skip the single crochet, make 3 double crochet over it into the chain 3 space of the round 2. Okay, skip this petal and these chains, go to the next chain space of the round 2 over your single crochet, skip your single crochet, make 3 double crochet in there. And now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next 4 double crochet of previous round. Okay, don't forget, keep in mind that you must skip the single crochets of the round 3. Okay, in the corner space make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Repeat this diagram until you reach to the end. Okay, in the end, make another double crochet before the first stitch. Join with the slip stitch to the first stitch. If you made 5 chains, join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, make a chain, doesn't count it as a stitch. Make a single crochet, 2 chains, and a single crochet in the same chain space. Then make 1 single crochet into the each stitches. Making 1 single crochet into the each next stitch. This round is up to you and up to your project. You can make it, or if you want, you don't have to make it. Okay, if you want, you can make this round by double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets in the chain space, and 1 double crochet into the each stitches of each side. Okay, and here is it. You can make this square as big as you want by making the double crochets round for 2 or 3 more rounds. Okay, or more if you want. Okay, I make my stitches until the end. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet. Skip that 1 chain. Okay, cut the yarn and fasten off. As usual, insert your needle under the third stitch. Here is the chain, and insert it again inside the first stitch, the place where your yarn is out from there, and done. Now secure tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it. Next, I'll show you the easiest way to steam and shape your motif to make it nice and neat. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Cut the tail of the yarns, and here is our little granny. It's almost done. Let's give it a few steams. Flip your motif into the wrong side and hold the steam iron about 2 or 3 centimeters from the motif. Give it a few bursts of the steam, and after that gently stretch it from the 4 side. Give it a few taps and gently stretch it about the 4 side, or you can paint it on the blocking board if you want. And done. Our little granny square is very nice and neat, and now you can use it in any project you want. And that's it, sweethearts. Wasn't this sunflower motif just too cute to resist? If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a lovely comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future sunny projects. Also, make sure to check out my other sunflower stemmed crochet tutorials. I'll place the link of them in the description below. Thanks for crocheting with me today. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.